Okay, Barry Wilson here again, Wilson Auto Repair. I think these are essential tools that you could use if you decide to work on your vehicle at home. And actually, it's something you're really going to need once you get used to them and know how to work on them. And so I took a electrical course a long time ago, and they recommended that we get this FLUKE 88. I think this is out of date now, but there is a replacement. And I have all these tools listed on my website if you'd like to go there and click on them and buy them. I get a little bit of money for that, and that'll help pay for these videos that we make for you. But this is an important thing to have to be able to actually measure electricity inside the car and find problems. It's called a voltmeter. On V, it measures volts. When you get over here to the ohm portion of it, it measures resistance, which resistance and electricity on a car is where they put a device in there that actually cuts the electricity down from, say, 12 volts in the battery to 6 volts or 9 volts, which is used sometimes in different areas of that car. So, and it also, when you kind of get handy with it, you can actually find circuits that are not very good shape. So this is what we use a lot of. It's real simple to use. You just put it on V and take these two leads and you put one on the ground side and one on the positive side. This isn't a real battery, it's a jumper box, but I can show you what it does. You put this right there where that one connects, and then you put this one over here, and see, you get a reading on that battery that's very close to what that says. This says 1277. But you got to have one first, you know? You can't just learn it by not having the tool. So go to my website, buy a FLUKE voltmeter like this one, and I guarantee you'll find a lot of problems with your car that you can't find unless you have this with you.